Greetings, everyone, and greetings, Arthur. This is Des.
And Chris.
And I want to say thank you for this awesome haul of airplanes and airplane memorabilia. This huge box. Today's kind of like Christmas, so if I already didn't say the date, today's October 23rd, 2025. Alright, so let's just start because I don't even remember. I know you gave me the list a bunch of times, but this is very well packaged. And UPS is actually better than our USPS, which we have the worst USPS in Florida. Oh! Texan Airplane Store.
Wow.
Cool. It's a Taka ticket holder. I'm not gonna pull any paper products out. I'm just gonna leave it in its box for now. But that is beautiful. I haven't seen that in decades. Sadly, Taka is no more. Used to be the El Salvador's airline. Okay. Now, some of these don't have boxes. And I knew that. That's okay. Okay, these do.
Ooh.
Oh, that's a pretty... Well, my first 787. It's a -8 is Ethiopian Airways. That's really cool. Okay, so that's the first one to come out of the box. Ooh, American Airlines by Gemini Jets. Oh, wow. American Freighter. Oh, that's awesome. 707. Oh my goodness, what a glossy metallic shine. Even the wings.
Cool
Nowadays, yeah, nowadays airplane wings, you can't paint them or shine them or anything, so they're boring. Wow, that's gorgeous. That's nicer than any of the metallic ones I have that are new. Let's see this one then. Oh, we got a VC-137 Flying White House Stratoliner. Wow. Same picture on the back. This is by Dragon Wings. That's pretty cool. That'll look nice next to my Air Force One. Okay, let's do this one.
Yeah, one of least resistance.
Yeah, that was the easiest one to pull out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, so cool. 767 Air Canada.
Nice.
What's that light blue Air Canada? That's a pretty plane. I like 767s. I'll let you arrange them wherever you want. Okay, now he told me about that some of them were going to be inside a chocolate box and that they're not chocolate and to be careful. So, let's see which looks like the... Okay, here we go. I think these are some of the loose airplanes. I'm probably going to keep this box. Oh, GSE. Air stairs and... Oh, this is the purple Hawaiian Airlines, specifically GSE, so that that means the loose Hawaiian airplane must be in here. Let's see, who's in here? Oh, it's so cute. Look at that, yeah. That's Hawaiian Airlines. Wow. And it's okay, but I know some of these had missing or broken wheels. This one seems alright. Oh, that's missing there, but that's okay. You won't notice it when it's on the tarmac.
Yep. Ooh.
Wow. Oh, a classic American Airlines. DC-9, I think? Or DC-8?
Yeah, I can tell why those classic engines are vintage.
It's a 4-engine deal. That's pretty cool. cool.
Nice. It's a neat one.
Neat. Oh, and quick interesting fact about this. American Airlines just made a new livery on a 787 with this color. In fact, let me see. Is this the Douglas or the Delaware? American Airlines. Yeah. I don't know if it was based on this one, but it was very similar, classic, like original colors. That's before my time. I came in during the actual red, white, and blue and metallic American colors. It is. Oh no! Whoa! Oh wow! Oh, my first Eastern!
Alright.
L1011. I've been on one of these, and I think it was Eastern, so this airplane is special to me because I've actually been on it. That is so cool. L1011 is such a cool... I miss these guys. Big airplane. That... Oh, it's so pretty. I love those classic colors. Oh, a Continental. Continental. And I have flown on Continental Airlines before. In fact, I have one of their pins. So awesome. I love these old planes. Okay, that's it for that box.
Wow. Like the haul just in that box.
Yeah, just the, and it's fine by me that they're loose. I don't care. They're awesome airplanes. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. The bag. All right, on to the next box. Oh. Okay, I'm actually gonna hold off on these.
Ooh.
Okay. Oh, these are the Knock Air that he got me at the show, at the Atlanta show. Oh, well, first, okay, you're gonna pop out first. This is a Pan Am. Another 707. Let me see. Okay, that was called Pan Am Big Bird. 707. I love Pan Am anything. I'm one of those people that I remember it, and I flew on several of their airplanes, and I'm very nostalgic and love that airline. Favorite airline, second favorite was Eastern. Alrighty, we have two Knock Air, and these are my first Knock Air propeller planes. I think they're my first prop planes anyways. They're ATRs 72. So we got a pink one, and you can see what it looks like there, perhaps. And then we've got the green one. And I have the 737 variants of these. And eventually I am going to make a video of all my Knock airplanes because I have nearly a complete set of the 737s. Especially the 737-800s. It's nearly done with that. Oh. American Airlines 757 by Gemini Jets. There he is. Wow.
It's a long plane.
Yeah, this is the flying pencil.
Oh, this is the one that was nicknamed.
Yeah, several airlines had this one. It's still in service, actually. But we don't know for how much longer.
Oh.
Unfortunately. And Trump's airplane is a 757.
Nice.
Oh man, that is so metallic and cool. Wow.
But the sun reflecting off that would blind you.
Yes, it would. I remember it. They'd come by on the tarmac, by the terminal, and if the sun hit them just right, it would light up the whole room, the whole waiting room. Ooh, another L1011. This time a Delta. Huge airplane.
Big
Gorgeous.
Nice.
Actually, I was wrong. It wasn't the Eastern that I've been on. It was the Delta. I even have the little plastic L1011 since I was a little kid. I might have been on an Eastern. Who knows? I've been on so many airplanes and I was so young. Okay, that's awesome. So these two right there are the same. The Eastern L1011 and the Delta L1011.
Nice.
So nice. Ooh, a big Pan Am.
Get out of the way. There's crap in here.
Can't get them out. Oh, heavy. This 747. 747 is my favorite. Wow. Comes with a little runway tile.
Oh, yeah.
Thermic tile. That's beautiful. This is a nice box. And this one's name is Clipper Spark of the Ocean. Of course, I'm not going to unbox them, but they have the name on the nose. Clipper Spark of the Ocean. And I also got Clipper Ocean Spray from Arthur, from you. And so that's an airplane I've actually been on that was very special to me because I went to Europe on that one. Okay, now I'm going to open these that he also got at... I think he got some of these in Atlanta. There was another show that he went to also. I forget where it was. Oh, look at this. This is an amenity kit from Delta. Actually, I think everything in here was Delta. He got it at a Delta table. Oh, that's right! One for you, one for me, baby.
Oh, wow. Check it out. Thank you.
So, I think people in business class get these. So it comes with a pair of eye covers.
I'm able to use those tonight.
And then earplugs. I'll put all this back in a bit. Toothpaste. And then I'm not going to open that. I think that's like a little fork or something. That's so cool.
Neato.
Oh, wow. I love this kind of thing. Thank you. I have one of these. I only have one, and I got it when I went on an Iberia plane to Madrid. Oh, they're so soft. They're like a pants material. Feel that, baby? Like,
yeah.
they're like, yeah. And then, oh my goodness, these are the playing cards. I've never seen cards that little. I didn't know they were that small.
I couldn't even play with those cards.
They're for budgies.
Yeah. My hands are too big for those. To me, those are guitar picks.
Yeah, I am going to do a quick unboxing of these because they're just so cool. So these, I'm used to these because I used to get the Delta one. Well, the original Delta. Oh, I see what happened. The glue came off on the side. They're supposed to open from the top. So, but I can fix that. Okay, I'm not going to show them because they're new and in the wrapper still.
Neat.
But these are bridge size. And Alexon explained to me what the difference was. The bridge size is smaller because you have to hold 13. Whereas in poker, you only hold 4.
5.
5? I don't know. Okay.
5 card stud.
So,
That's what I play anyway. Texas
there
Hold'em.
they are. And then where are the jokers? Right there. Oh, this is the classic set. I have, Delta made several variants of these. This is what it looks like. This is like the blue lines with the dark blue background. I have the silver box with the silver deltas on it. Well, that's really, really neat. Well, that one is. Let's see what these little ones are like.
Oh gosh, that'll be interesting.
I don't think I could shuffle these. Oh, they're so cute. They're so small.
Get the neighbor's kid to cut the cards.
So that's what the jokers look like.
I think I know that guy.
And there's the King of Diamonds. Let's see. Here's what the backs look like. Oh, that's the modern Delta. But they don't give these out anymore. It's unfortunate. Air travel's not what it used to be.
Mm.
Miss the good old days of flying. The 80s and the 90s were great. And the 70s. I have like very, very few memories of flying in the 70s. And then this one. Oh, the little airplane!
Wow.
That's what I was talking about. Oh, it's so cute. I had one of these little L1011 Deltas, says Delta TriStar on the wings. And then put him back safely like that. Delta pins! I love wing pins. I went crazy about these things when I got my first set on an Eastern flight and I had my Eastern wings. And I was so proud of that.
Wow.
And so now I collect those and see if there's
Wow.
anything. Okay, that was it. That is a lot. And here's the Taka, and then the Texas bag. I'm gonna display these like this.
Wow. What a haul.
Oh my goodness, it's not even my birthday. It's his birthday's coming up.
Yeah.
Him and DeSoto are puppy.
Yeah, our Doberman male and I have the same birthday this month.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Thank you so much, Arthur. This is amazing. This is just...
Thank you. Yeah.
I don't know what to say. I am extremely happy. It's so many memories. So, I've got the camera now. Yeah, just so many memories. This is wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you. All right, so Des.
And Chris.
Signing off.